things are about to get messy. You need to stop squeezing out those blackheads, for crying out loud. Hi guys, hi loves, hi darlings, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite girl, Nini Beauty. If you're stopping by for the first time, you're welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for sticking around. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please tap the subscribe button down below to subscribe for more skincare tips, and don't forget to like this video if you end up enjoying it. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys how to remove blackheads. So if you're interested in getting rid of your blackheads, whiteheads on your face using a simple DIY homemade face mask, just keep on watching. You see all those pinhead-like lesions that used to be on the skin in form of whiteheads and blackheads? Those are the stuffs we'll be talking about today. Those stuffs, they are very irritating, so we'll be talking about them today. Majority of those blackheads and whiteheads, they are caused by dirt and oils. It clogs your pores, and then when exposed to air, it turns black. Okay, so what most people don't know is, if you want to treat blackheads and whiteheads, you need products that can break up oil that formed inside your pores. So before we jump into the simple DIY mask to remove your blackheads and whiteheads, I would like you to note some certain things you should avoid doing to your blackheads and whiteheads whenever you see them on your skin. Whenever you see your blackheads and whiteheads, please avoid squeezing your blackheads and your whiteheads. It causes more damages to your skin. Avoid using oil-based skincare products on your skin. Most people, they think that glowy skin is when you have your face oily. Glowy skin is not shiny, oily face. That is not glowy skin, okay? Glowy skin doesn't have to do with oily products. If you have blackheads on your body, you need to learn how to start changing your clothes whenever you sweat. Like whenever you do a sweat producing activity, always change up your wears. With that being said, I'll be showing you guys a simple DIY homemade face mask that you can use to remove your blackheads and whiteheads. Okay, so let's jump right into it. So here are the stuff we'll be needing. So we need an egg, we need a brush for application, some tissue paper, need a clean bowl for the mask too. So the first thing you need to do is to break the egg into a bowl. So I'll be breaking and separating the egg whites. So I'll be separating the egg whites from the egg yolk. So what we'll need for this mask is just the egg white. So we have already separated the yolk from the egg white, and this is it in the bowl. So this is what we'll be needing for this DIY. So egg whites have a whole lot of skincare benefits. It tightens and firms the skin, reduces the appearance of large pores, it helps to absorb excess oil from the skin, and most importantly, it removes blackheads and whiteheads. So this is basically what we'll need. So before applying this mask, what you need to do is you need to open up your pores. So you can choose to steam your face and use a steamer, or you soak up your face towel in hot water and use it to open up your pores, and that is what I'll be doing. So I'll be using this to open up my pores. I'm done with steaming my face, so the next thing we'll be doing is we'll be applying this all over my face. So I'll be taking our time to do this. So before that egg dries out, okay, like you need to put that tissue, get that tissue right there. So put another section here. Do this till your face is fully covered with the mask. So once you're done with the first layer, you want to like go in with the second layer. So apply the egg white on top of this and go in again with another tissue. So we are done applying this mask to our face. We'll be letting it sit for 20 minutes and we'll be right back. I am back. So this mask have dried. It have dried out, okay, and we'll be taking it out, okay. So I'll be pulling off this mask in an upward direction. So you want to be gentle with this, okay. Face. It's painful, guys. This is very painful. This is quite painful, okay. So you want to be as gentle as possible. So I'll be dragging this out. This is the paper. I don't know if you guys can see anything, but this is a white paper. You can't really see anything on the white paper, but take a look at my face. Like, it feels really smooth. It looks smooth. Like, if you're not seeing it, I'm seeing it. So I'll go rinse off my face with warm water and I'll be right back. This is me after rinsing off my face with lukewarm water, okay, and my face still feels and looks smooth, okay. So this mask, like, is a G. See my face now. So I'll be letting my face to air dry a little. Going in with my vitamin C serum, or you can go in with your moisturizer. I'll be moisturizing my face with my vitamin C serum. Wow, I really love how smooth and soft my face feels, okay. Guys, you need to try out this mask, okay. You really need to try out this mask. This mask helps to absorb excess oil on the skin. It helps to tighten your pores. It firms your skin. It smoothens out your skin. This mask is really nice, okay. So if you have a dry skin, you can use this mask once a week. If you have an oily skin, you can use this mask like twice a week. So yeah, we have basically come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to like so that other people will be able to see this video, and subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips. See you guys in my next video. Bye.
Try to figure out who I am, not sure what I'm doing here, and the days don't work out the way I